Hi, it's really late. My name is Yildiz Ilkin. I'm the author of Blue Mountain Mist. I go by Hannah, and I am doing another insert today, and this insert has to do with the back end production. This back end production is very, very important because with the Alaskan levee break, it merged humanity together, and in a way, we sort of need that sustainability mergence of love for one another to actually conquer a lot of the big challenges. But at one particular time, there was 9.5 billion people on Earth. Some people said the max that can hold is probably about 12. That's a neighbor down the street that said that. But it doesn't match what our ancestry it doesn't match our ancestry. So that matching of ancestry is very, very important for existence. And we are very, very late in shooting because we have not received any funding whatsoever. I mean, getting a crown and a gift is the biggest honor, yes, by all means, but we are trying to actually finish the production. And you have to understand, I come from a native background. I have a different vision, but I am quite honored. But that vision is as follows, just to provide healthier settings, ones that don't have abuse as our militaries transform and are not used as men for benefit. We want to transform. The problem is historically every door was knocked on and money was taken because we couldn't function on a piece of land, which tells the person you're looking at that there was a management issue, and that is what we're addressing right now. It's very, very important. By the time we're done the entire production, what we're sort of doing is we're humanizing a very interesting divine story, which is a lot of money for the future. We're also, with the humanization, trying to hire 100 or so or more staff to be able to do the 101 proposals. And it's really a good project because it's so complex in reorganizing that it will take a long time. And that's exactly why it's also very brilliant in the back end production. So you are today looking at Hannah, but Hannah is not in normal state. She's very heavily injured working because she's just trying to buffer over that hill. She made it to the top. She just wants to buffer over just so we could get the real estate we're looking for, which is Y-View, or something very similar, close to the 404. It doesn't have to be Y-View. It's just that she sort of likes it because of the dead that was in the vicinity. I hate to say that. It's they're close to her in terms of spirit. This person changed Jerusalem. She thinks it's the better thing to do to be in a property like that, doing the 100, doing the interactive. Now, for those who don't have academia, the interactive for Blue Mountain Mist is nothing. You took a book, you translated it, but that is not the gist of the book. It matches an interwoven story, and you want the psychology of what the person who created traits, who created Alaskan levee break, who created about 30 to 35,000 pages of entry. You want the psychology of that person who created Blue Mountain Mist, kind of the tribe, is this your home, this and this and this and this, interwoven with historical. You want that to be projected in either a interactive or a movie, and these are all part of the revenue portion, which is green industry for the future. And you're going to see how one person with a lot of difficulty did all of that. So that's where we are today. Thank you and have a good day.